Hello everybody. Welcome to the Just in Time DS YouTube series. My name is Dr. Sharon Smith, your instructional specialist at the William C. Jason Library here at DSU. Today we are going to discuss reasoning and problem solving using an important process that will help you work through any problem you encounter. So, what is that process? The process includes reading the instructions. We have to know what we're being asked, or we can't know how to answer. We also need to read the question. Again, if we don't know what's being asked, then there's no way that we can answer the question. We have to just reach back into our mind and all that math we tried to forget and bring it to the front, because now we need to determine what kind of mathematics we need to solve the problem. We have to actually do that mathematics and then check our answers. So here's a problem. We have two dies. One has a blank face rather than a 1. The other has a blank face rather than a side with a 4 on it. So what we want to know is, what is the probability of getting a sum of 7 when this particular non-standard pair of dice is thrown? So we're going to break it down into smaller bits of information. So what did we say? We know that one of the two dice has a blank face rather than a 1. We know that the second one has a blank face rather than a 4. We also know that we need to answer the question, what is the probability that a sum of 7 appears when the dice are thrown? So, what information does the problem give us? What do we know? We know that one die has 6 sides, and those sides entail a blank, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. We know that the second die has 6 sides, and it includes a 1, a 2, a 3, a blank, a 5, and a 6. We know more information though. We also know that since each die has 6 sides, then the total probability, the total number of possibilities of getting any sum is 6 times 6, which is 36. We also know that because this is a non-standard pair of dice, there are only 4 ways in which we can throw a sum of 7. That is, we can roll a 2 and a 5, we can roll a 4 and a 3, a 5 and a 2, or a 6 and a 1. So the probability of rolling a sum of 7 on this particular non-standard pair of dice is 4 out of 36, or 1 out of 9, also known as 11%. So yay, final answer. I have a 1 in 9 chance, or an 11% probability of rolling a sum of 7 on this particular set of non-standard dice. So in summary, what are we going to do when faced with a problem? We will read the instructions, we will read the question thoroughly, we will determine the mathematics necessary to solve the problem. We will use that mathematics to answer the question, and we will check our answers. For additional math help, please visit us in the Quantitative Reasoning Center in room 212 of the William C. Jason Library. Thank you. I hope to see you soon.